Alright, YouTube, before I get way too ahead of myself, as you see, I got a lot of stuff out of my car. I do have both my Crescendo 3500s right here. The mids and highs amp, one of the mids and highs amp right there. Got the hood open, making sure there's no power going front to back. And as you can see back here, we got a mess. We got three of the batteries back here. Got the other one over there. Got the rack that we built maybe about 4 months ago or so. Got the rack that the amplifiers sit on right here hanging out. And here we go. We got the back of the wall. Everything is out. Literally everything from the floor to the amp rack to the amplifiers, fans. Well, fans are still in there, but this one's right here and the other one's right there. And the fans behind the amp are in that. So everything is out of the car at the moment. We do have the jumpers off the sides right here, is where everything was jumpered and wired down to. So we do have that. We do have some of the remnants of the jumpers right here, actually, and the nuts and bolts and all the extra wiring. So here's the big reveal. We're gonna actually take out this wall. We're gonna have this wall taken out, rebuild it, and we're gonna do a whole new system. I'm not going to disclose what it's going to consist of right now, but just stay tuned and you will see. As you can see, it's a big mess. Power wires, ground wires, extra wires like remote wires and stuff just chilling everywhere. I know it looks like a mess, but just deal with me. Chitty, small little mids and highs amp for the stock door speakers locations. They're not stock door speakers, but they're the stock door speaker locations. The crescendo amp powered, the 6.5s that I do have. But here's what the system looks like. I'm getting this whole wall taken out. We're gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna try and do a whole series on YouTube just to give y'all a walk down what it's like. So door speakers right here, and as you can see, well, you probably can't see because it's dark as shit. But as you can see, this is what the wall. Someone let me get a light. Let me get a light on. All right, there we go. So here's the wall. Here's the wall, and you see the subs are out. That's basically it. Subs are out. Yeah, basically just some last minute touches. Take the rest of the stuff out, just so it's perfectly good to be everything torn apart. Not really gonna do anything about vlogging about taking it out, but you get what's going on. Everything in here is getting taken out. Door speakers still look good, as you can see. As far as what's been going on, as far as why I've been posting so many videos lately, I've been really busy with work. And I got some other stuff going on in my life that I haven't been able to keep up with the videos weekly. I'm gonna start getting back into it now, especially now I'm working on this. I'm gonna try and get this build ready in about a few months time. I'm not sure, depending on what the financial situation is looking like, because I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is all I pay, I play kind of thing. So this is what the system is gonna be. Batteries right there. I'm going to want to redo the battery system. As far as the amplifiers for the new build goes, I'm going to let y'all know it's probably going to be the same amplifiers, the Crescendo 3500, the two Crescendo 3500s. I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding more when the new build's coming along. Maybe, maybe not, depending on, again, the financial situation, how everything plays out. But at the moment, this is what the plan's going to be. Take out this wall, start building a new one. Want to try and get it ready for scraping the coast. I hope I can. I don't think it's going to be possible, because right now it is March 30th. Yeah, right now it's March 30th, and scraping's only about 2 months away. So unless we can take the wall out, build the new wall, and have the subs here that we're going to be using, and unless I have them here in 2 months, then we can get going to go scraping. But right now I do not have a registration for scraping. I do have a hotel for scraping, because I'm going to be there regardless, but I have a hotel room regardless. So I'm going to be there. If my bill's not ready, I won't be in there in the show, but I will be there to film and get all the good content and stuff like that. Let's see, what else can I describe? What else has been going on? I think that's about it. As far as the new build goes, the only thing I'll really let you know is I've told you about the amplifiers. I've told you about getting new batteries. As far as the subs I'm gonna run, I'm not telling you what kind of subs I'm gonna run, but they are gonna be PSI subs, just like the previous ones. So you can take a good guess on what they're gonna be. Leave in the comment section below what kind of subs do you think I'm gonna be getting from PSI. They are gonna be PSI subs. And there is going to be a new build. They're not going to be the Platform 318s that I've been running for, let's see, maybe 3 years now. I've been running those about 3 years. Reconed them a few times. And it's just time to step up the new build. Let's say this is a hobby. It's not really a lifestyle for me. And it's been in here a while. I liked it. I've played it. But as with many people with 218 systems that started out getting loud will tell you that 218 can get loud. They can. I got 157.9 dB is my loudest. They can get loud with the right power and the right system, which this was for me. It was decently loud in my opinion. But as far as demo time, show time, they don't play long at all. They don't play long at all at loud volume. Like once you start hitting 7,000, once you start hitting like 5,000 watt plus, I would think that the system can't handle. There's just not enough cone area to get what I wanted for it. You can't get you can't get lows. You can't do hair tricks. Like I was able to do lows. I was able to do hair tricks. I was able to get loud in the meter and win a few competitions, but it wasn't to my liking as what I wanted for a build. I want a build that can play all day, be stupid low, and not have to worry about anything heating up. And it's just when you got more coils, your power distribution is a lot better. And everything doesn't heat up as quickly, so you can play louder longer. So that's gonna be what I'm gonna tell you about the build. Be sure to follow, comment, like, subscribe. Ask any questions about the new build. I'll tell you what I can tell you. And that's basically all I have about the system. As far as that, I do want to get new batteries. I'm probably gonna go JY lithium eventually. Right now, it's just running XP3000s and this little D680. The other XP3000 somewhere over there. But yeah, that's about it for the system. Stay tuned. I'll try and post more on it whenever I get going. Definitely going to post more when I start actually building the new wall. So that's going to be something to look forward to if you're a welcome subscriber. We'll keep posting the music. I know y'all like the music sometimes. But yeah. So stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe, and peace.